Okay, so let's replace these busted up old outlet covers. This one's been sitting outside for a long time, barely shuts. The spring is broken, falling off the hinges. I had it shut with a a finishing nail or something shoved in there. So let's replace it. We have two ways to go. You can go your vertical ones like this, or sideways like I have already. They come with some advantages. This way is going to be good to match how it currently is. But the problem is this one right here, basically any sort of plug, it's going to be hitting the side here, so it doesn't really work unless it's a straight out. So a power washer, stuff like that, won't work there. This one is a little bit hard to get at, but you can use something with a larger power adapter. These are both outdoor rated. They come really nicely sealed. Okay, so you could pop the breaker off. So you just wish you're working on this, it's a good idea, and start removing this whole thing. Mine's cracked, but just want to unscrew it. Just be really careful since this stuff is pretty rusted up. You could break one of these screws pretty easily. Here's what we're moving to. You see there's a seal in the back. You just break the seal to fit the size of your outlet, whatever you have. It could fit pretty much any different configuration. Here is the cover itself. I went with the horizontal one like I have. It has a nice seal right here, and you're just holding everything together with these two screws. You just have to find the screw holes over here on the side that sort of match your configuration here. Okay, here's what it looks like when it's ready to get reinstalled. Okay, make sure you pop the screw holes out before you put this thing together, otherwise those will get stuck in the threads and it's just a mess. Also, use the new screws, don't use the rusted out old ones. Even if they're shorter, it's fine. Okay, so basically get your little foam piece, put it here, get the first screw, just kind of thread it in the slightest bit, and then line everything up. This part is a little bit tricky because you're trying to do a lot of stuff at once, and then you will have to open up this piece to get this screw in here. So it's kind of a lot going on, but it's not that hard to figure out once you get the basics. Okay, so eventually the cover will get back on place. It'll be nice and firm. It'll be as flush to the wall as possible. That seal will be all the way around. There'll be a nice lineup of here. This will all fit in really nicely, just like you see here. Once the breaker's back on, it's always a good idea to test. It's a little hard to tell outside, but we can see that the light is on and the test passes, so the outlet is good to go. I don't use mine a lot, so I hid it under a shingle, but yeah, that's it. It's a nice job, pretty easy to do. Here's the other one, on the other side of the door. For some reason, I have two. Gives you nice access. This one is facing the other direction, so the this thing has a plug, it's facing this way. If it's a sort of like 90-degree sort of outlet adapter, instead of coming straight out this way, if it doesn't work on one side, it definitely works on the other. So yeah, you could be careful about how you place these. You can see a nice fit here. No, it's not loose at all. You have a good compression on the seal in the back, so it's ready to go. Thanks for watching.